Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the speaker mesh, and the speakers. Removal. Turn over the stand top cover assembly. Disconnect the wireless charger LED board cable from the wireless charger board. Remove the 2 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the wireless charger LED board to the stand top cover assembly. Remove the wireless charger LED board. Replacement. Place the wireless charger LED board in its position on the stand top cover assembly. Replace the 2 P1 Phillips head screws to secure the wireless charger LED board to the stand top cover assembly. Connect the wireless charger LED board cable to the wireless charger board.